Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Pat the steak dry and salt it so the surface proteins are ready to brown. While you salt, heat the cast iron. You want a surface near 450-500 degrees so you get instant Maillard reaction. Once the pan just begins to smoke, add a thin layer of high smoke oil and let it shimmer. You're setting up a sear-first approach because rapid crust formation locks juices and creates flavor. Don't delay this step. You should place the steak into the pan away from you to avoid splatter and ensure full contact. Press briefly so the whole surface touches the iron. Sear without moving for 2 to 3 minutes per side for a 1.5 2-inch cut. That timing builds a deep crust. Once both sides have color, lower the heat, add butter, garlic, and thyme, and continuously baste. This both tempers the crust and layers flavor. Make sure to monitor doneness with a thermometer. You finish by bringing the steak to target internal temperature. Pull at about 5 degrees below your goal because carryover heat will rise. Rest the steak tented for 5 to 10 minutes so juices redistribute. This prevents squeezing them out when you cut. If the steak seems overdone, slice thin across the grain and serve with a sauce to recover moisture. If it's under-seared, make your next attempt on a hotter pan for a shorter time. Troubleshooting tip: if crust is pale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.